Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing on this wonderful Sunday? I am here with another collab project, and this is the Mixed Media Collab, 757 Mixed Media Collab. And it is myself. It is Susan from CWA Crafter 21. It is Lisa from Miss Little Scrappy. It is Sheba from Sheba 5, and it is myself, and it is Donna, who doesn't have a YouTube, but she has an Instagram, and don't sleep on her because she's very talented, and it's DEE_K_crafts on Instagram. I have all the links below. So each month we have a theme, and this month is a canvas, so we can do anything we want. I just used the Dollar Tree capture square, adjusted it up so I could take some mediums really white and well. I used this watercolor palette. I was in the mood for watercoloring that I got from Michael's, and this was the cheap, like $5 set, whatever. I forgot the name of the brand, Art, whatever, the blue art thing, got name. I used some Tim Holtz Ideology, and this is the collage paper, and it's called Typeset. I used that on top of the canvas, and then I painted it with some of these colors. I also used this Dollar Tree glitter tool. No, this came from Walmart. Glitter tool, I think. Nope, it was Dollar Tree. And then I used a whole bunch of different sprays, some glimmer mist from Tattered Angels. They don't have the colors on them, but I used a whole bunch of different ones. And some Heidi Swap. I used some watercolor pencils. And this was off-brand that I got from Hobby Lobby when they had a clearance a couple years ago. And I just tried them out because I hadn't really used them. Some sequins from the Dollar Tree. I used, got my stamp set. My stamp set, which I got Tiny from Memorlin Keepsakes, had showed this. But this is the LDRS, and I had got all 4 of those whenever she showed the haul last year. Create from your heart, and this girl right here, and I am going to, in this stamp right here, and I'm going to show you what I did with that, just to create a, you know, a simple but effective mixed media canvas. So this is the final project. So what you can see in the background is after I gessoed it, I wasn't sure what I was going to do, and then I decided to add Tim Holtz collage paper, the typeset collage paper in the background. Then I used the watercolors, and I did 3 different colors. And then after I did that, I took my splatter stamp and I stamped in black archival ink by Ranger all around the page. Then I used the Tattered Angels to make some different color mist in the background, so you see a couple of different colored spots, just because I wanted some random splatters. And then I used this tool over top, and I not Mod Podge, but I used matte medium to hold it down. I took her, stamped her out on 110-pound paper, and I watercolored her, and then I tried to get my little Wink of Stella pen with a little dry on me, but that was the goal, to try to do that. But anyway, so I sprayed her with some Tattered Angels as well. You really can't see any shimmer on her from that, because that was, I don't know, it just didn't work. Anyway, then I used some sequins all around, and so I just decided to do a little different for my texture. So it's really that tool, and again, I just felt like watercoloring. I think she turned out cute, so I like it. I'm excited, and so hopefully you check out everybody else's canvas and see what they did, and I'm sure you'll be inspired too. So you can use any kind of canvas that you have, any kind of mixed medium. Mixed medium, it just means 2 different mediums or more. And so, you know, so I have painting, stamping, and all the different textures and stuff. So, yep. So that is my canvas for the month. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.